Good morning children, welcome to today's class. So already one lesson, the first lesson, the enchanted pool is completed, and then supplementary reading, Aruna Asaf Ali, the great patriot is also completed. So but maybe you will have a doubt that only lessons are going on, but what about the notes? So already I told you this is the last time I am telling you people keep the class work. So from Thursday onwards I will give the notes for all whichever the lessons are supplementary reading is completed first we will complete that. That is every Thursday will be the notes classes. Okay, we will complete the class first. Monday will be the class, that is lesson, poem, like that. So please keep the class work and write it there. Okay children, okay, let us start this second lesson, that is 3 questions. So there is no much difficulty is not there in here. What is the meaning of here? There is 3 questions, is it? So this is not for you. So one of the king had doubt if he knows the answer for 3 questions, so he will be the great. So that is the lesson in this one. This is written by Count Leo Tolstoy. This is Count Leo Tolstoy. So he is a Russian novelist. So Count Leo Tolstoy is a Russian novelist and great philosopher. Okay, Count Leo Tolstoy is from Russian novelist, the person who writes story, long and voluminous stories. And the most famous and popular writing of him is that War and Peace. Which one? War and Peace. Who wrote this one? Count Leo Tolstoy. He is from Russia. Russian novelist. So now, welcome to the lesson. This is introduction of Count Leo Tolstoy. See, the best time to do something. So we'll have this. We don't have the questions at all in our mind because we don't have any best time for us. Only passing time is the best time for us. So here the king had these questions in his mind. That is the best time to do something. The most important person in your life. Who is the most important person in your life? Ask yourself. First it comes to in front of you, father and mother. After remaining. But here the king had some other things in his mind. The most important thing to do in your life. So which is very important in our life. Which thing you have to do mostly in your life. These are the 3 questions. So let us come to Count Leo Tolstoy written which one? 3 questions. A king has 3 questions. How many questions the king had? 3 questions. And he is seeking answers to them. Seeking means what? Searching, want, isn't it? He wants answers to them. What is the them here? Them refers to answer to the question. What are the questions? So 3 what king wanted? The king wanted answers for 3 questions. So what are that? Does the king get what he wants? What he wants? He wants answer to 3 questions. So now we'll read. First paragraph. The thought came to a certain king. So one of the king had thought. That is the past form of V1, V2. Think, thought. Think, thought. One thought came to one of the king. What is that? That he would never fail if he knew 3 things. If he knows 3 things in his life. Whose life? King's life. He'll never fail in his life. This is not the exam. The king has so many hurdles in his life. He has to solve the problems of the country, of the state, or of the people. Isn't it? So, In internal problems also will be there and external problems also will be there. External affairs, internal affairs. So he has to look. So that is why if he know the 3 answers for these 3 questions, so he will never fail in his affairs. Isn't it? So that he knew, knew. K-N-O-W, know. K-N-E-W, knew. So V3 is known. Understood, children? So, what are these questions? The first question, what is the right time to begin something? The first question he had in his mind was, what is the right time? What is the first question? What is the right time? What is the right time to begin something? To begin something. This is the first question he had. King had in his mind. Understood? The king had in his mind. What about the first question? What is the right time to begin something? To do any work, some right time should be there, isn't it? Right time. So you can't eat breakfast in the evening and snacks in the morning. So that's right time will be there. So like that only are. So next question is, who should a king listen to? Who should a king listen to? So whom you have to listen? Whom you have to listen? Your parents, teachers, your elders. Like that. Here the king had the doubt. Who should a king listen to? First one is, what is the right time to begin something? Second is, who should a king listen to? The third question is, what is the most important thing for a king to do? So once upon a time there was a king. So once he thought, if he know the answer for these 3 questions, he'll never fail in his affairs. In what? Country's affairs. So what are these questions? They are, what is the right time to begin something? Who should a king listen to? What is the most important thing for a king to do? So these are the 3 questions. Okay then, the king therefore sent messengers throughout his kingdom. So he wants answer for these questions. King wants answers for these questions. So that is why. So there was no WhatsApp, no Instagram, no Messenger, isn't it? So through the people only they have to send the messages. The people who will take the messages, for them we'll call it as messengers. Messenger, in your app also Messenger is also an app is there, isn't it? But here through the gadget, electronic gadget will do. But in those days they used to send the people to give the message to some other. So like this only. So he want answer for what? For these 3 questions. So that's why what he did, he sent a message throughout his kingdom. What is the meaning of throughout? The whole kingdom. So he has some boundary. So through all over his kingdom, he sent whom? Messengers, promising a large sum to anyone who would answer these 3 questions. So he sent the messengers saying that if anyone is able to answer these 3 questions, so who will say the answer? For them, I'll give you the money. I'll give you a large amount of money. Some what? It may be money, it may be some gold and like that. I am ready. Reward, R-E-W-A-R-D, reward. I will give the prize, large amount of prize. Whom he is going to give? The person who says the answer that is satisfied, that satisfies whom? King. Understood? So, many wise men. What is the meaning of wise? Intelligent. Wise means intelligent, clever. Clever men. Men. That is a singular and plural. Man, men. Singular, plural. Wise men came to the king, but they all answered his questions differently. So when the message reached the people, so many clever people, they came to king's court and they gave the answer for these questions. But all the answers were, so many gave, no, men gave, not man, men gave, so that are all differently. Isn't it? So in reply to the first question, what is the first question? So what the answer that is given by the wise men? What is the right time to begin something? That is the first question. What is the right time to begin something? First, in reply, what is the meaning of reply? For the answer for this question, some said the king must prepare a timetable and then follow it strictly. How can the king is it sometimes what an emergency will come? According to timetable only he has to follow? No. If a doctor will be having the timetable, will assume, will think. So if someone is very serious that day, one patient will come. He's very serious. According to timetable only, the doctor goes. No. He has to attend first this serious patient. Like that only king too have. But here the first answer is given to the first question was, some said the king must prepare timetable and then follow it strictly. He should not fail. He has to follow. Is it a school that we have to follow the first period, second period, third period, like that he has to follow? Is it possible? So that answer is not satisfied. Some said what the king should prepare, king must prepare what? A timetable and he has to follow that without fail. Others said that it was impossible to decide in advance the right time for doing something. Some said timetable, others said it is very difficult to say what is going to happen, which is the right time to do something. It is not correct. So, in advance means what? Not only can you say that in after 1 month or after 10 days what's going to happen? So now we are in this pandemic disease. So can you say what when March we thought June the school opens. When June is it happen? You can't assume what is going to happen. After that we thought okay July we will July is also now it is increasing. How can you say in advance? You can't say. That is only some others said. The king should do whatever seemed, another said, whatever necessary at that time. Some said, so no, we can't in advance, we cannot plan, we cannot prepare timetable. But at that time, at that moment, whatever is important, the king should do that. See how different the answers. One, timetable. One, it is not possible to know what is going to happen in advance. We can't say. Some said whatever comes in that day, if it is urgent, that has to be done by the king. Yet others said the king needed a council of wise men who would help him act at the proper time. Some said, so many people came, no? In that some time, the king should have maintained a wise people, intelligent, that is committee. He has to be a committee, that is group of intelligent people that they help when he is in emergency. At the time of emergency, these intelligent people, these clever people will help you. These are the answers for the first question. First one is what? Strictly he has to prepare timetable. Second one is in advance we can't say anything. Another one said whatever is emergent, whatever is urgent or serious he has to attend. Some said you have to make a members, intelligent members, so that they help in the time. So these are the answer given by the wise people for the first question. But then others said that there were some things which could be urgent. So some said, how can you say only if it is committee is there? Is all the members of the committee will be present there? No. So if it is very urgent, so the patient is dying, oh I'll call all the committee members, I'll decide with them, I'll do that one, after that I'll attend it. Is it possible? At that time he'll go. The patient will die. So that is why that is also not possible. Some said these things could not wait for the decision of the council. If it is very emergency, council, that is group of members or group of committee, we can't wait for that one. In order to decide the right time for doing something, it is necessary to look into the future. See, some said council is also not good suggestion. If we want to do, we have to keep in future what happens. If today whatever I do, tomorrow what happens, that we have to keep in mind. So if you sow a good seed, tomorrow you'll get a good food, good fruit, isn't it? So like that only you have to. And only magicians could do that one. So who can? Magicians have. Is it magician can change our life? Just do the tricks, that's all. Isn't it? So some said like that magicians can do that one. The king therefore would have to go to magicians. See, what are so many answers for this, so many different answers for this first question. So just to recall that what first one I told, timetable. Second one, in advance we cannot say. Third one we said, whatever it comes to that day, if it is urgent you have to do. And you have to, another answer is that you have to make a committee, that is council. Then the third one is who? King needs a magician. So he has to keep the magician. In their answer to the second questions, the first question, so many answers. For the second question, what is the second? Who should a king listen to? Whom he has to listen? Some said that the people must necessary to the king were his counselors, others said priests. Some said who has to listen? The king has to. Some said the king has to listen to whom? People. Some said the king has to listen to the counselors. Others said the priest. What is the priest? The person who will be called it as Brahmina, who will perform the pujas. So what here is also no one answer is not. There are so many answers. Some said the king has to listen to people. Some have said he has to listen to the council, that is ministers or committee. Third said, some others said priest. A few others chose doctors. Some said doctors also. For the second question, who should a king listen to? And yet others said that his soldiers were the most necessary. Some said so he has to listen to the because he has to protect the people. Like that they kept in their mind. So soldiers will protect us. So that's why he has to listen. For the second question, what they said, he has to listen to people. Some said what? Priest. Some said counselors. Some said doctors. Some said soldiers. Here is also not one answer. To the third question, some said attack, others chose fight, and yet others religious worship. What is the third question? What is the most important thing for a king to do? and then some fight with the other king, and some other he has to worship. He has to religious worship. Maybe if it is Hindu king and is a Muslim or this one, he has to worship the god. So here is the answers are all different. So as the answer to his questions were so different, all you can once again you revise all the answers for these questions are different. Is that anyone said common? No one. So that is why he said, well, the king was not satisfied by hearing all these answers of the wise people. He was not happy, he was not dissatisfied. He decided to seek the advice of a certain hermit who was widely known for his wisdom. So he was not happy. Who was not happy? The king was not happy what the answer is given by who? These wise people. So he thought he'll take the advice from one of the hermit. Who is the hermit? What do you call it as? Sage. So they are famous for intellect, wise and wisdom, isn't it? So he's thought he'll take the advice from whom? Hermit. The person will live in a hut in a forest, is famous for his intelligence. So who was widely known for his wisdom, who is known for their cleverness. Wise is a clever, wisdom is cleverness, isn't it? So he'll see he went in search of a hermit. So this is the today's class. Once again I'll revise it. This is the 3 questions he had. One of the king had 3 questions. He told if he thought if he knows all the 3 answers for these 3 questions, he'll never fail in his rule. So these are the 3 questions. What is the right time to begin something? Who should a king listen to? What is the most important thing for a king to do? So to get the answer, he sent message all over his kingdom. Wise men came, they gave all different answers. The first one they said they have to prepare timetable, they have to make a committee, they have whatever, some they have to like this they told. Who should a king listen? Some said he has to listen to whom? Doctors, people, magicians, like that they said. What is the most important thing for a king to do? He has to worship a god, or he has to fight, or he has to attack. So king was not satisfied by the answers that was given by the wise men. So he thought he'll take the advice from one of the hermit. They are known for their wisdom. So this much is done in lesson. So go through it, read this first and second paragraph and try to answer these 3 questions. Okay, and then class work will be given after giving one lesson, one poem and one supplementary. Online UT will be given. Okay, so that is why I am waiting. If I give you a class work, you will see the book and write. So let me complete this one and will give. After that, I will give the notes. So Thursday, notes will be given. Before giving notes, 10 marks UT will be there. That will be questions will be given through the WhatsApp. Okay, children. So please read. Don't skip the classes. Okay. So many, especially boys, they're skipping the classes. And when you are writing the copywriting, please write neatly. So don't take it as granted and write and just click the photos of the previous years. If it is not corrected, that only you are sending so many of them. Don't do that. Okay. So if you have any doubt, as usual, you are welcome to ask the questions, and I will clear the doubts. Okay then children, we'll meet you in the next class. Till then, bye.